Jai Hind. I am Advocate Khatib Vakil, an owner employer of India. Supreme Court has recently blocked the live streaming of its proceedings. Let us discuss the repercussions, the law on the subject. As per the law of India, a court hall is treated as a public place or open court. It's open court principle. The open court principle, also called as the principle of open justice, is a fundamental tenet of the Indian legal system. It means that judicial proceedings should be conducted in public so that justice is not only be done but also is seen to be done. Public access to courts promotes transparency, accountability, fairness, and a public confidence in the judiciary. What's the constitutional foundation for that? It's Article 19(1)(a), that is freedom of speech and expression and the right to know, supports open justice. The Supreme Court has repeatedly affirmed that the freedom of speech is a part of basic structure of the Constitution of India and of the administration of justice itself. Open courts act as a check on the judicial power, protect against the arbitrary or secret decision making. The scope of the principle of open court principle. Open court principle applies to civil, criminal, and most other judicial proceedings. Public, including media, has a prima facie right to attend and report the court proceedings. The right is not absolute. It is subject to reasonable restrictions of privacy, national security, protection of vulnerable witnesses, especially victims of sexual offenses, etc. What are the judicial pronouncements of the subject? Our own Supreme Court of India has consistently held that open justice is the rule, secrecy is the exception. The effect of the open court principle. Open court principle means that the courts are open by default and the closure is the carefully controlled exception. The petitioner in the PIL, in which the Supreme Court has banned live streaming of its proceedings, is a journalist, namely Miss Harshita Grover. Her plea that the live streaming of a court proceeding risks undermining public confidence in the administration of justice by creating distorted, incomplete narratives regarding judicial proceedings is misplaced. Nay, it's immature. It is very pertinent to note that her own advocate, Mr. Vikas Singh, told the Supreme Court that his words are, I personally don't see any problem in the live streaming of the proceedings of this honorable court. Therefore, what the Supreme Court said, which suggests that live streaming cannot be a 24/7 entertainment channel that belittles the justice system, and unless restricted, it risks a collateral threat to the justice system, may be understood by the people of India as against the letter and spirit of the principle of open court justice or open court system, which is itself embodied in the statute. Jai Hind.